Hey, I'm Chris with CarryOn-USA.com Mobility Solutions. I want to tell you about our brand new scooter we have out called the CarryOn-TSA. So it's the GB120-TSA. So this is an airline friendly and sea friendly scooter. It's a 300-pound weight capacity scooter. Drive wheels are in the rear and has a maximum speed up to 3.6 miles per hour. Dimensions: 38 in total length, 19.5 inches in width. Height from ground to top of seat is 34.5 inches. Front tire is 6 inches, rear tire is 7. Ground clearance under the deck is 4 inches. Turning radius is a 48.75. Weight of the unit assembled, 65.5 pounds. Operating range with your TSA approved batteries is a 7.8 mile range, but if you have two, it increases it up to 15 miles. It comes in red, blue, or we can custom it to just about any color you like. We've sold hundreds of them, and it's a great scooter for just about anybody. And why is it airline friendly and sea friendly? Because of the battery. This is a long range battery from the original CarryOn, the GB120. It's 6 pounds. It's awesome. It's an 18-mile battery range. Battery range usually goes off of a person's weight, terrain, and stuff like that. So you might not get a full 18 miles at it, but this thing is very, very powerful, and it's only 6 pounds. This is a awesome lithium-ion battery. It's 360 watt hours, so it's 60 watt hours above TSA's approval to travel with it. Sometimes they might not know, but it is, so just be careful. But let me tell you about our brand new GB120-TSA air and sea-friendly scooter. This is 3 pounds, and it has about a 7.4 mile range. Well, 7.4 miles isn't very long, but if you combine two of these, which what we're doing with the GB120-TSA, you get up to 14 miles of travel time. It's TSA approved because it's below 300 watt hours. This battery is actually 156 watt hours. So when you get this scooter, you'll get two TSA approved batteries. And what TSA is asking is to keep it below 300 watt hours. It also wants you to have it in a fireproof bag. So you'll get two of these bags to carry your travel-friendly battery. Fireproof bag. You can carry your spare battery behind you, just like that. Also, it's very safe to travel with this battery. When you're traveling through the airline, be very, very careful using USB charging ports throughout the airport. People are hacking people. When you plug it in, they can take all your data off your phone and have it forever. This battery pack comes with a USB charging port to charge your phone up. So not only do you have two batteries, but you have a battery that you can charge your electronic devices up, your kids, your grandkids, or even your device while you're in the airport. What do you get when you buy the GB120-TSA? Two batteries, airline friendly, two fireproof bags, and your travel case. The scooter will go inside of this bag. It has fragile this side up, so it gives the people handling it a big warning to take care of it. It's soft and it can fold up, very compact to put underneath your bed when you get to where you're going. We'll show you how you enclose it. It's a travel bag where you can still roll the scooter behind it. This is a fold down scooter. It's not a fold up scooter. There's a big difference between the two, and I'm gonna tell you why. Here's a fold up scooter. Now, it is nice that this folds up. You can roll it. It's compact. There's some benefits to it, but you'll see that people talk about how light this is. It's not. And then they'll sell you a lift to slide this into your car. So there's another thing you have to buy. Not only that, yes, it's cool because you can unfold it with a remote control, which is awesome. But let's say you want to charge this scooter away from the unit, you have to manually fold it up and fold it back. When you travel with a lithium-ion battery through the airport, when you get to the gate, they're going to tell you to take your battery off your scooter and carry it onto the plane. Then you have to manually fold this up, then you have to manually unfold it, which is going to take a lot more time. It's just really not worth it. And again, this thing is super heavy to pick up. People buy this scooter because it power folds up, which is cool. It's a nice scooter, but it's still very heavy. A lot of people that come into our store, they're asking about the fold up scooter, the ones that fold up. And I show them this scooter, and just about every single time they go with the CarryOn. The scooter also comes with a bottle holder. Thick, nice tires, front and back, compared to most fold-up scooters. They're small, and you can feel it. This thing rides so much smoother with these fat tires at the front. The other benefit of your tiller, it's adjustable to you. So if you like it here, you can adjust it here or away. Low profile over the wheel, so it's very comfortable if you're taller to put your feet here. I really like that they didn't cheap on this material. Where you see some of these scooters that are really flimsy, this is hard plastic. I love that. Let me show you how the CarryOn scooter folds down. So there is a couple extra steps, but I'm telling you, it's worth it. The seat is a latch, it just comes right off. This seat is 12 pounds. Flip back arms. The battery, you press a button that's located right here. Let me get that for the cameraman. Look, I can even carry this. Press a button, battery pops out. This can be carried inside the house and be charged right through this port. Two knobs allows this to release. You can leave the basket on, or you can easily take it off. And it folds just like that. Your tiller adjuster. And now what you do is you pick the front half of it up, place this on the bumper of your car. While it's resting, you can slide it right in. So I'm going to put it in the travel case that comes with your GB120 TSA. There's a zipper. And you'll see that at the back, that's where your anti-tippers will go. So you would lay this down like so, place it in your bag, I'm never really picking the whole scooter up. I'm using leverage. Zipper on the other side. So what's cool about this is if you're going to a resort, you really don't want people to see you traveling with a scooter. I don't know if that matters to some people. Looks like a golf bag pulling in. There's handles opening right here to where you can still carry it like this. There's stickers all over this thing to allow people to know that something's very valuable inside this bag. Now remember, you'll have a cover also for your seat. It'll come with this travel bag. So this is your travel bag for your CarryOn-TSA. So let me show you how to take your carry-on out of your travel bag. Bring this up, the yellow lever, bring this back and it will automatically click. Take your seat. It's very important to make sure you put the seat on and make sure it locks down. You do that because some people put the seat on, they sit on it, it'll end up bending this front part. So just make sure, take your time, put this seat on. Grab your basket, it could be left on. And grab your battery and place it right into the scooter. So this scooter, you can get on and off of it, flipping the arms back, sitting down, sliding over. The scooter has an on and off key with a battery indicator, speed control. You have lights on the front and you have LED lights on the rear. And another USB charging port. So if you're in the airport, you can charge your phone through here, and with your spare battery, let your husband or your wife or your grandkids charge their device. It has a horn. It has a charging port also on the unit. So when you're out, if you're at the resort, you don't have to take the battery in and out. You can charge directly through here with your charger that comes with it. There's an indicated light right here that tells you that the battery is being charged. When this light's green, it's fully charged. Again, if you need to leave this in your car and you want to carry this just into your house because you're going to use this another day, you can also charge it conveniently through the battery. No need for taking the scooter inside your house to charge, just carry this inside. This scooter offers so much to people. I've had customers fly all over the world with this unit. They absolutely love it. Another cool thing about it is if you have a small car or if you need two scooters, you can put two of these scooters. I have them in a Ford Focus, Ford Fusion. I've had them in all types, a Camry, Toyota Camry. They fit in the back trunk perfect. We have about 30 of these units in our rental fleet locally in West Columbia, South Carolina. So we've got to see all types of damages and mishandling of the scooter, but it held up so well, they're staying in our rental fleet. We're actually increasing our rental fleet to 50 units in 2023, which we're really excited about, offering more scooter rentals to our customers locally. They travel all over the world with this scooter. Beaches, the mountains, everywhere. A lot of reviews. Check out our review pages that we have. So when your TSA scooter arrives, it's going to be in a box like this. Now this is about 70 pounds shipping. When you open the box, you'll have a charger, bottle holder, set of keys, primary, spare. Remove your box, or your styrofoam. Take the seat out. Remember, it's only 12 pounds. When you buy this scooter from CarryOn-TSA.com, your basket bracket will already be attached. So no need of doing what I'm doing when you get it. So the plastic just comes right off. Now remember, this scooter, what you would do is take the plastic off and bring your tiller straight up. I usually do a little bit of a bend down on this. Take this out, bring this back. Here's your manual. Push the button, take the battery right out. Put your battery on a charge for 12 hours. If you get the TSA, since this is a TSA, charge one up and then charge the other one, or you can buy an extra charger to make the charging time faster. I'm just gonna pick this straight up. It's 47 pounds. Remove the plastic off your scooter. This will work itself out. So after you get the battery out and put on your charger, back here there's gonna be a warning label. With your fingers, loosen that. Underneath here it tells you all your flash codes or beep codes. It tells you what's wrong with your scooter, or you can call us and we can help you through the process. We always keep parts in stock. But you need to remove the fuse and place it right there with the battery out. And then it has a spare fuse under there also. So I know you're going to want to jump on this scooter and take off with it, but you still need to let it charge up overnight. So after you just put it together like I just did, maybe takes you 2 minutes, the next morning you'll be able to enjoy the carry-on. Go wherever you like. It's travel friendly. By boat, train, plane, in your car, whatever you want to go with your carry-on. It's an awesome scooter. Holds up to 300 pounds. Check out the GB120 TSA. It will come in blue or red, or we can make it in black, yellow, gold, white, purple, green, or just mess this the color that you might like. We'll probably do it for you. My name's Chris. I'm with CarryOn-USA.com. You can reach us at 803-926-2224 and ask about the GB120-TSA.